Is there any way to locate my AirPods without an internet connection?
Hello everyone! Today we're tackling a problem that a lot of AirPods owners face: how to locate your AirPods without an internet connection. Yes, you heard that right. You can locate your AirPods without the need for the internet. Let's dive right into it.
Is it possible to locate AirPods without internet?
The short answer is yes, but there are some conditions attached. While Apple does provide a feature to locate your lost AirPods through the Find My network, this requires an internet connection. However, if your AirPods are connected to your device via Bluetooth, you may still be able to locate them.
How does Bluetooth help?
Bluetooth has a range of around 100 meters or 330 feet in the best conditions. So if your AirPods are within this range, you may be able to track them. The key here is the closer you are to the AirPods, the stronger the Bluetooth signal will be.
Using the sound emitting feature.
One way you can use this is by using the Play Sound feature that comes with the Find My app. Even without an internet connection, as long as your AirPods are connected via Bluetooth, you can make them play a sound to help locate them. However, do remember, this only works within the Bluetooth range and the AirPods need to have battery power.
What are the limitations?
While this method can be helpful, it does have some limitations. Firstly, if your AirPods are out of Bluetooth range or have run out of battery, this won't work. Secondly, if your AirPods are in their case, the sound will be muffled and harder to hear. Lastly, without an internet connection, you won't be able to use the map feature in the Find My app to track your AirPods if they're out of Bluetooth range. In conclusion, while it's not as efficient as using the Find My network with an internet connection, you can still locate your lost AirPods without internet if they're within Bluetooth range and have battery power. It may not be a perfect solution, but it's definitely better than nothing. Remember to keep your AirPods safe and charged, and happy listening.